Hey everyone, in today's video we're gonna make a coaster. For material, we have our yarns. You can have any type of yarn, 0.5 millimeters of this, and a scissor. First of all, we have to make a magic ring. So to show you very easily, so all yarn and then put it on your finger like this, and then over like this. It will make a cross over here, and now we're gonna take our hook and then put it right here, just like this. What we're gonna do is yarn, pull it through like this, and we're loop right here. Fix the camera first. It's a little annoying to me, so let's go. Wear the loop right over here and then yarn over and pull through the loops like this, and ta-da, we have our magic ring. I grab my yarn like this and this and this. It makes me so comfortable. So I'm gonna start with 12 single crochet. So for single crochet, we're gonna do is go through the magic ring you have and then grab the yarn. Now pull it through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, and now we're gonna yarn over and pull through 2 loops on our hook. This is our very first single crochet. So now we're gonna do it 11 more times because this is our first double crochet. So for the second crochet, we're gonna go inside the magic ring here, bring the yarn and then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on our hook like this. We're gonna continue making till this one. So now let's make 10 single crochet. So inside of the hook, yarn over, go pull through. We already made our 12 single crochet, and now we have a big hole right in here, so we're gonna pull the yarn. There we go. Loop, which here is a V over here, so we're gonna slip stitch here. We're gonna make a slip stitch here. So put your stick inside the loop and then grab your yarn like this, and now we're gonna pull this loop to our remaining hook. So this is our first round. I'm making it tighter, so okay, so now we're gonna do chain 2. So for that, chain yarn over, pull it through these loops, and then again yarn over, pull through these loops. This is our chain 2. So now we're 2 double crochet in each of these chains that we have this single crochet. So for that, we're gonna yarn over, pull this next stitch that we're, so this is really tiny, but if you stretch it you can see this mini hole right over there, right over here. So pull, then you have to yarn over again. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, and now yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over, go through the second 2 loops, and now double crochet. So for increase, we're gonna make another double crochet in the same here. So yarn over, pull to the same loop over here, yarn over, go, and come with this first 2 loops on our hook, and then yarn over and go through the remaining loops on our hook. So this is our, we're gonna mark it over here. So this is our very first double crochet of our project. So let's go yarn over, go through these. There are 3 loops on our hook, then yarn over, pull it to the 2 loops, and yarn over, go to the next 2 loops. This tutorial is very beginner friendly because I learning crocheting a few days ago, so I'm a beginner too, so I'm trying hard to teach you the better that I can. Go through the loops right here, yarn over, pull it, and then pull, go through 2 loops on our yarn, and then go through. Every V should have 2 double crochet. And now we got a mistake here. We will make a slip stitch like right here, like this. So not actually a stitch marker, I grabbed my scarf pin to make a stitch marker, so don't mind. Inside this V where we be like this, and then yarn over and do this, we will grab this yarn to our this loops like this. So this is our round 1. Same stitches, we will do chain 2, 1, 2, like we will follow the same rules to do over here, over, go over 2 loops like this. We're gonna 2 increase, and 1 double crochet. Go to insert your hook over here, then pull your yarn, pull your another yarn like this. It's literally annoying me. You can cut it because while making the magic ring you have secured it, you can cut it off. So now chain 2, the same process, and then go, we have I remove the stitch marker and I put our here, and grab your yarn, pull through this like this. I'm not going to slip in, I'm not gonna make slip in because I'm going to pull this yarn so long like this and not cut. Then pull this yarn like this. So needle, My needle is a bit bigger, but I suggest you to use smaller one with big hole. So we in this so that it looks like another, and we're going to our wrong part. We will hide this to all in all of this. We can cut this part off. And ta-da, we have our round coaster. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you like this video. Follow for more. Bye.